Hello everyone, Ryobi Guy here. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Today, a little bit different point of view. Usually I'm in my backyard looking out, but this time I'm on the other side of the fence. I just finished up clearing out all this land behind me, up into that brush line. What I'm going to be doing is removing and relocating this fence to the brush line. I'll be purchasing a new Ryobi tool to help me out. If you guys can guess what it is, comment below. In the meantime, I just actually found a tick on my leg, because there is, in this brush, plenty of ticks. I also have deer in the area, and I can show you the evidence that they are here. I don't know if you can see that, but they are here. So, anytime you're working in brushy conditions like that, check yourself for ticks. All right, welcome back. This is the first time this has happened to me. I was clearing out some area behind my fence here. I'll be relocating it. And I was cutting through some roots with my trusty Ryobi sawzall. And as I was going through a fairly thick root, I started to smell this really foul odor. And sure enough, it was the motor inside here burning. Now, I wanted to document it since this is the first Ryobi tool that's going to crap out on me. But this is one of my originals, so I had this for a few years. It definitely doesn't owe me anything. So I'm curious to see how much longer it has, left in the tank before it completely burns out. So I have another section here, and I'll give it a shot. Well, seems like it still has some life left in it. Ooh, but I can smell it. I might not be smoking now, but the days of this Ryobi sawzall are numbered. So this gives me a reason to get a Ryobi replacement. So on my next video, that's what I'll do. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'm the Ryobi Guy. Have a great day. So I thought I would document and see how far before this thing really burns out. So I'm going to try cutting another section of this root and see what happens. Oh yeah, how about that? It's already burnt out. Put a fork in this thing. My first Ryobi tool that burnt out. Hey everyone, thanks for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, hit that like button, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button, as you never know what bloopers and outtakes you might see in my next video. Until then, have a great one.